like, oh, that's what you flew with that. Yeah, man. Back again, city life, you know.
City life.
I'm car in that motherfucker, you know. With the Ford, something different.
Yeah, we in the Ford Tarzan
something
time.
different.
Ford Tarzan time.
Show y'all nigga what these old school talking about. See, they want the old school. You ain't gonna see too many Ford drive. But your grandma and them or some shit like that. You feel me? The different turn. The contrary. But yeah, man. Good little night POV. Oh, but don't know, but hey, you gotta watch it.
God, man. Come on, look at it though, man.
I told you, but they wasn't no doing. We in the wrong part of town now.
Oh, God.
Wow.
Like, we should have did that thing on the script.
Now, but what gonna end up fucking up too? Everybody gonna slow down. 12 right there. Yeah, man. You got a little something on the damn
120.
One dub on the dash.
Look, this not gonna be a long video though. You know what I'm saying? We were going straight.
Yeah. Hold on, do not.
Left or?
Yeah, go left.
All right.
Alright, go left.
Alright.
Nah, cause I'm used to coming down this way. So I ain't gotta, you feel me? I ain't gotta get out that lane.
Oh.
Hell yeah. Go ahead. Left. It's a good little curve right there. Good little curve. I can't handle it. Y'all hear that motherfucker though?
I wish they big had manual. I wish they big had manual mode, bro. I'm gonna take the truck off the light.
Gotta get him.
I want to take his ass off the light.
Gotta get him. What y'all think?
You gotta take the truck
What
off
y'all
the light,
think?
y'all.
I gotta put that bitch on the floor. Nigga be snitching. Nigga be snitching. Agree with him. You gonna have to get in his lane anyway. You might as well take him. Good curves, see? Kind of curve like that. In the game, make it right. Turn lane, no car coming. We in the game.
Oh, I wanted to slap that.
I heard that bit. He wanted to so bad. That bit wanted to so bad. I heard that bit try to kick in for you and everything. To get your right lane, you gonna not that right, but or down the next one. Yeah, down there. Yeah, you finna run that motherfucker though, and you ain't slowing down.
Oh damn.
Keep it going.
Nah, fuck, keep it going.
I just be, bro. I'm like, bro, if you already in the middle, don't stop.
Oh God, cause I was stop in the middle. I was like, fuck it, left.
Nah, that's right.
All the way right. No 12 down there.
Get on break one time. Stall for a minute, so everybody take off their brake like this. Stall for a minute. I'm gonna show y'all what them motherfucker sound like a little bit. Before we get in the first lane, bro, like, hold on, not yet. This is stupid ass hill right here. I told you, look, straight red, like.
Man, I wish the car loud so you can actually get this.
No, I try to hold that bitch out the window. We gonna see how it sound.
How long that shit is?
We gonna sound man.
Hey,
Nah.
you too. Give me right.
You know what?
You know what I'm saying? We in a Ford Taurus. 2005, you know what I'm saying?
Not the new Ford next to us, but yeah. The old motherfucker.
Leave his ass.
No cap.
I just look. can't.
Same shit I be saying. He got me about to waste my motherfucking bill. He gonna do some dumb shit. Don't follow behind him like that.
Bitch, what the fuck?
I already know he gonna do some dumb. Oh, boy, little Mini Cooper. Ooh. Hold up. See what he got going on.
God, what's up?
Who got going on?
What's up? Nah,
What's up, What's up? We both got the red.
What's up? Oh, nigga. What's wrong with you?
What a minute, what?
Yo.
We gonna have him drive a car with a bit of high speed change right now.
I want his ass to get right back where he was. Fuck, yo. Trying to get in front of me like that.
Where he at?
Oh, he turning. How you turning this bitch?
Nigga don't be want to.
I was on his ass.
We do this shit with every car.
I was on his ass.
Every car.
I was on this nigga ass.
I ain't gonna learn.
Damn, I should have got y'all on the road.
Bro, I was getting blowed, bro. I was getting so fucking blowed. I'm like, bro, nigga ain't here yet. Left lane shorty. Come on, little truck. He ain't going fast enough. Oh, you gotta watch these stupid ass nigga too.
Right.
Yeah, watch these stupid ass nigga too. It been water, bro. It been water. Easy here to hit 100.
I hope they can hear that bit, but it bit sounds so good.
See, oh, damn, he hard then. Well, this ain't take his ass. Take it.
Oh, this a Challenger?
Now we're going straight. I was going to tell you to turn. We're going straight now. Get in the left lane. Oh, we pull up right beside his ass. Right beside his ass. Yup. Come on with it. You know how the old school race used to be in school?
Ah!
She's a female.
I'm gonna take her out.
Nah, I was finna say get over and get back over on her. Brake check her ass a little bit.
Wait, gonna make her mad.
I see somebody gonna do some dumb shit.
Fucking in trouble.
That bitch jumping. If y'all niggas see how they camera moving, that bitch jumping. You know where we at now, right? Whoa. God damn, that big girl. That nigga closed the security though.
Fucking should I go? Yeah, fuck you.
Got one. Come on, yeah, shit. 12 get behind you, not going. Oh, I think you did. That one ain't 12 though. I don't think that's 12. Can't be. If he is, his ass back there. His ass back there. Try this shit at home, y'all. Yeah, nigga. What nigga you know come up cost of doing a Honda? If NAD followers from Atlanta, let me drive your shit.
Oh, God.
Let me drive your
Cats
shit.
and scat, anything.
Yo, feel me?
Hey, come goddamn tell us do a video with us and let us slide your shit.
No cap.
Camera Cat. Fuck
Yeah.
up. Quan, anybody the fuck you talking about?
Yeah.
Lord slide your shit better than you slide your own shit.
Alright, man. Another day, another dollar. We out there, motherfucker.